A solution of nickel sulfate is electrolyzed using 2 amperes for 60 minutes. How much of nickel gets deposited if the current efficiency is 50%? Atomic weight of the nickel is 58.5. First, we'll calculate the equivalent weight of the nickel. Equivalent weight of nickel is equal to atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight by valency. Equivalent here, atomic weight is 58.5. Valency of the nickel in nickel sulfate, NiSO4, Ni plus 2, SO4 minus 2. So valency is 2. 58.5 by 2, that is 29.25 grams is the equivalent weight of the nickel. Now we can use first law of Faraday. W is equal to E by 96,500 into I into T. Weight of the nickel we have to find here. Equivalent weight we calculated already, 29.25 by 96,500 into I. What is the I value here? 2 amperes. And one more point is also mentioned here, how much of nickel gets deposited if current efficiency is 50%. Means current efficiency is 50% means I is 2 into the, here it is 50%. So 50 by 100 into how much time it is? 60 minutes, but time should be in seconds. 60 into 60 seconds. So if we calculate the value here, we'll get 1.09 grams.